Yo, what goes on? What's the deal? We are live. We're back. Welcome to another Asian session. Welcome to the day trading show. Welcome to the Wix 9 price action. Music got to go down. Later, music. What's up? Canary Valence. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. There's got to be a business behind that. What's up, my guy? What up? Game over. So I had to wait a little to hop on here. I was going to start 7:15. Do these unboxings, but we had a position in the signal channel. And then we had a pineapple. And then closed for 22 pips. And then the runner hit B. So, yeah. Amazing Asian session already. We got the dubs and the signals. All we need is to gotta catch 'em all. Pokémon. All right. I need your I have a co-host here today, by the way. Hosting the show with me. And she's gonna be opening these packs, or we're gonna be opening these packs. I need your help, gang. I need to know what's what. I'm not sure which cards are good, which ones are bad. What is the Pokemon card? I don't know. We got like, yo, we were like second in line. Third, I'm sorry. We were third in line. We came in and right after me, like I always bring the crowd. I swear, I go to an empty restaurant, I sit down, and by the time I walk out and pay my bill, it's a packed house. I go to a club, it'd be dead. By the time I leave, it's packed. I go to the bar, I order drinks, it'd be empty at the bar. When I get up with the drinks from the bar, it'd be packed out at the bar. I always bring the crowd. I don't know. It's just something about, they don't even come with me, but it's something about my presence that a crowd just gathers. Right? And like, I just showed up here and there's a freaking crowd gathered. But it's weird. So we showed up to Target because we know the truck was coming in today, but technically they're supposed to do these in the morning. People wait at night, but yo, we showed up and we were like third ones there, and right behind us, like, I don't know, like 50 people showed up. Like a whole crowd showed up right behind us. Yo, we got them. Okay. We got the Pokemon Trading Day. Which one is this? Huh? Pokemon Day. Yeah, we have the Pokemon Day 2026 collection. Every year on February 27th, Pokemon fans around the world celebrate Pokemon Day to commemorate the release of the very first Pokemon video games in Japan. Pokemon Day 2026 is an extra special occasion. It's Pokemon's 30th anniversary, and you're invited to the party, gang. Celebrate with a specially stamped foil promo card featuring Pikachu and metallic coin featuring the 30th anniversary logo, plus 3 booster packs from different Pokemon TCG expansions. Gang, this should be added to your 401k, to your Roth IRA, to your retirement plan, whatever you have, 423B, whatever you have. This should be a part of your portfolio, right? As somebody told me, as a big fan at the store told me, he was fourth in line. He was behind us. He's like, look, man, because there's a whole bunch of cards. He's like basketball cards, One Piece cards, right? It's a fad, right? Pokemon is forever. He literally said that to me in line. He's like, look, Pokemon is forever. Everything else is a fad. Like BTC is forever. Everything else is fad. He's being a knucklehead. I have no idea how this Pokemon works. Someone explain. Well, you pull cards and you see if they're valuable. You can hold on to them. and see if they become valuable over time. Or you can keep the packs closed and then sell the packs later on as they grow in value. So a lot of people, what they do, they'll open a pack and keep one sealed, right? And they buy multiples of packs. Personally, I don't know which cards are valuable, which ones are not. We're gonna pull them here. I know which ones I'm looking for. Like there's special edition cards that I know how they look. I looked it up. So we're gonna try to pull some expensive cards. We'll see how much they're worth. If you guys know anything, I'm looking for full art cards. Exactly. There's a name for it. What was the name? SIR, right? They're called Special Illustration. Yeah, Special Illustration Rare. That's the ones we're looking for. We're really looking for like a Walking Wake. We're looking for a Roaring Moon, or a Charizard X, or a Mew X. That's the ones we're looking for. All right, and then we're in the money. Like any one of those cards will pay for the entire haul today. Pokemon cards is just like money, just paper. People make up the value. Yeah. Illustration rares and SRRs. Pikachu, the rest are crap. Regular illustration rares are also good. Okay, we're gonna open these up. Okay, hold on. Market just opened. Yeah, we also got these right here. We got a couple of these. We got a couple of these. There's a whole bunch in there to open. I think we got like a week's worth of opening cards, honestly. Out. He liked it. Stop. Yo, you're gonna get popped with a Pokemon box. Messing with them. All right, hold on to this, my lovely co-host. And what we're gonna do right now, do a little breakdown. We had buys here, but this took a while to play out here. We went break even and then came back times already. We had buys. We secured 22 pips here. That was about 40 minutes ago, half hour ago. Now, hold on, let me get more people in here. People at the Zoom door, come on in. Up in here. Let's get some more viewers in here. Let's clear the charts. I want people to gather. I don't want to do a breakdown for all three of us. Feel me? Stop messing with him. You're doing that, and if it's an off, he wants to play. Move. 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 Go. Benny joined the crowd. Regular illustration rares are good. Yeah, I mean, if you trade for life, you know everything about Pokemon cards. I mean, like, you know about Pokemon cards, right? You can help us out. Anybody on Zoom that's like a Pokemon pro? I bought and sold a shit ton. Nice. Nice. Hey, do me a favor, close that door. No, you don't have to keep him out of there, but close that door. Thank you. Thank you very much. Very much. You might be too old. You might be too old, but you know, all the newest trends, like you gotta. I did sealed reselling. Okay, you gotta stay cultured, right? You don't want the world to outgrow you, outpace you, fly by you, right? Technology moves forward as fads move forward, as style and just in general, as the world moves into the future, now you got to know what part of the past to bring into it. No idea about new collections. Yeah, me neither. So we're going to open them up and then we're going to start doing our research and look them up. Now, let's do a little breakdown here. The daily, look at this daily gap, right to the daily support. This is perfect. This is great because now that we've tapped support, we could be looking for buys. Now, the 4-hour also come down to a 4-hour support level here. It's bouncing right off of it. Right off of it. The 2-hour has a leg handle. We're printing a top wick on this 2-hour. Possible we come back down here just to fill support at 48.30. I believe 48.30 will be our spring up here. So, we've done so already. Hey. All right. Let's see what happens. We have our most recent level right there. Most recent support that we are hoping to turn into resistance, or at least to get to there. Right. We have, or we're coming up from here. Smaller time frames have printed a level. Yep. Stop printing lines. All right, the key here will be to form a resistance somewhere at this area. That's what we want to see. We want to see some kind of resistance at this area to come back down to around 48.36 areas. Let me see what the 1-hour looks like. Is there a level here on the 1-hour? Oh, there is back there. Yeah, no pineapples here currently. At the moment. This is no idea about new collections. Just buying hyped collections and waiting is guaranteed profit. Well, today was a big release. This is the first day of this pack. They released it today. Was the new drop. This is the Mega Evolution Ascended Heroes pack. So it's got one foil promo card. Featuring Mega Gardevoir X, and it's got one double-sided poster. It's got 10 Pokemon TCG Mega Evolution Ascended Heroes booster packs and a code card for Pokemon TCG Live. Can you check NQ? Here's NQ. Let's give it a big freaking check right here. Bang. Bang, 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 bang. I just checked the shit out of NQ. He said, okay, never mind. No, let's do it. Let's fucking do it. You sound much better? Yeah, it's that cryptochronic kind of light. Thank you. Oh, more people at the Zoom door. Come on in. Let's get rid of this. Let's in a lot. Daily on NQ. Support. Right? Add support. This is ugly. 4 hour. Add a support. Just tapped it. We're down off of it. Worth. All right. You have the most recent support that you just formed right here. You have the most recent resistance formed right here. You are bearish, so you do want to come down. You want a closure below here to come down. Let's see, 4 hour. It's a little tough taking a pancake here because this is coming down to re-break the 4 hour lows, right? The session lows, and it'll be below this 1 hour. There's no pancake here on the bottom, but as long as you can close below these lows, I'd be happy with some sells. Look, when you get a closure below there, you tend to drive down. Hold on, I'm gonna need a closure below. No, I'm lying. Fine. As far as I see you, yeah, you close below here, drive down. Yeah, you're just gonna need a closure below the most recent. Once you get a closure below the most recent here, I think you're good to head down. If you're gonna head up here, you're gonna need a range 2 breakout. Okay, so you're gonna need a closure back up above these areas, above this resistance. You had a bearish closure here. You're going to need a closure back up above that resistance and then a break of the high of that closure. So if you are going to come up here against bias or against structure, right, you're going to want to see something like this. Maybe another celery play, right? Something like this, another fail, and then a push up. This is your advantage. That wick to the left. This is the candle you want to fill. Yeah, you kind of want to fill this range. This is a very clean range right there. It's about 60 pips. That right. You might get this play, but on the 5 versus like the 15 or the 30. Right? Kind of happening here, right? Above. If we look on the 30 here, let's break it down from what we already saw. And if we look on the 30, we had this area form here. You only have 1 minute though on this candle, on this 15, and it doesn't look like it's breaking that high. I think if this is able to give you a stronger close, you might be able to attempt this after a bottom wick, right? Bottom wick, you're gonna need to break the high here because that's the break of the previous 15. That's the 30 celery play to come up here, and you've already attempted to come down back in range and failed. Yeah, since the 15 is closing right now, it's 8:15. You might want to wait for this next 15 to give you a bottom wick and possibly break at a highs, takes you up. I have not researched what the level up here is. Maybe a closure above there. Yeah, maybe a closure above here should take you up. There's a level over here that we keep waking off of. Give me 1 second. You see this area? Yeah, we wicked off of it. Wicked off. Wicked off. And now we've just tapped that same part right there. We just wicked off of it twice. So there's a chance this come down. I'd want to close above that area, above 24,641. All right, that's NQ, but let's get back to Goldie. Goldie's just moving much better. Zoom door. All right. Okay. Only look for sells. What about range 2 buys? Yeah, range 2 buys possible. What about this gap down there? It's showing on the 5 and the 10 and the 15. I don't know what 5 and the 10 are showing, but I just broke it down on the 15. 4-hour split. Bullish on gold. Doesn't mean it's a straight drive up. Reacting to 5-minute levels. $133 in here. While we wait, we want to wait to get up here or to come down below this area. Right now, there's no positions up or down. I will be waiting. I will be waiting there. All right, my people are telling me that it's time to open some of these packs. Hold on, type in my people. Yeah, I'm waiting for this to ride up here. I really don't think we come down here right now. If we do, it'll just take a bit longer to set up. What we really want to come up here. And here, let me point this out right here. We want closures below 48.61. Understand this. Yeah, okay. Something. I'd like to see some pull up to this area. Right. Possibly the 15. See something like this. this is the 15. I want to see this. Right, if we can see some of that, I would like to have these cells come down here. Probably top wick entries off that area. But we're gonna need to see either a tap or a bounce into this area. We're gonna need some closures below here. That's how I see it right now in order for us to take sells. As we're pulling up here, we might set up for buys. We're just gonna need to start closing. We need to start closing above here. Failing to really come down. Fail. Right, try it. Attempt to come back down into that range. Fail, and then look. Push up, and in these scenarios, we might look for buys somewhere around this area. Keeping stops below these wicks. Understanding that we could come up the same way we come down and disconnect as a support. Once again, and if we start breaking down here, then obviously anything below these wicks is already we're in the wrong direction. It makes our edge very clean cut, finely defined, with targets, with entries, with stops, with partials, right, and runners. More people at the Zoom door. I got you. Oh, where is the Zoom gang? I haven't really pointed any of you guys out. Yeah, they're all in here. What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? What's up, Jay? Wicks is for me, the ones what? I'm not even sure what that means. Zoom door. Let you in. Yes. Regina. Your name is always muted in the is always muted. It's always different. Barzo, you're a mod in Don's community? Has that always been like that? Were you a mod back when I was hosting with him? I don't remember if you were a mod on that. You've been a mod a long time. Back to the queue. All right, rejected. Coming back down. $8.23 here. I think we're gonna do our we're gonna open some of these decks, some of these Pokemon cards here in the next 7 minutes, gang. Yeah, my team is telling me, hey, look, it's time. Time. Barzo mod for Don, but can't unsilence me in the chat. El mod. Wait. Options. You're banned in Don's community? Why? You were there for a long time too, weren't you? That's kind of wild. Barzo, if I were you, I'd be like, yo, that's the homie. How you gonna mute the homie? No idea. People can't see my messages. I did nothing. Shouldn't have been talking shit. As we are making our way up here. Like, we also don't want this. We don't want this fucking range here. We don't want these trickle ups, trickles downs. We want the market to move and look like it's moving. Nice bottom wick. My issue is this is also a level. You see these wicks off that area. We can come up here, flip bullish for a split set, and come right back down. Possibility, right? Look at this 30. 30 just came up without really much of a bottom wick. And eventually, I'm sure it'll look like it's supposed to look. It won't close like this. It'll either push up or come down here, but it'll look like it was meant to happen. Right now, it's 50-50. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Mhm. Yeah, I'm going to take a buy right here. Took a buy. There. Oh, that activated pretty late. I wanted to buy on the bottom of this 5-minute. I'm going to keep the stop below the range here. I'm going to buy off this bottom. Quick on the 5. Sorry, I'll give you the exact entry here. 48, 43. I got activated. Yeah. Clicked it and it moved up. Then moved down. I really like this bottom wick here. I think we have a chance to put it up. Just based on the 5 support that we made there, right? Off the previous level. We're making a bottom wick on the 15. Five to flip here. Stops. Back here. We don't get the 5. We don't get to 5 to flip here, or if it breaks that low, I'm looking for a pineapple off this area, and I'm looking to keep stops below the range. That's it. Pineapple at the 15 support here. 48.36. And after that, we will open cards. Promise. Yeah, pineapple. Right there. Stick a pineapple. Entry is now 48, 42 flat. All right. That's it. Let's see if we can reach the top of the range here, gang. We closed above. We got a bottom wick. We got to a support. And now we just want to close above. All right, now we just want to flip. All we need is a flip of this candle. Stops to break even as soon as it flips. Bullish. Stops to break even here. The 5 split bullish. I closed 75. No, I'm sorry. 65% of my position at 20 pips there. All right. 65% of my position is closed. Stops are to break even. At least 20 secured. Yeah, it's a risk-free trade now. We are up about 25 pips. 2 pips. W. Push up now. Push up. Let's go, baby. Let's go. What's today? What's today? Tuesday? Sucker free Tuesdays. No, Wednesday, right? Is today Wednesday? What day of the week is it? Wednesday? Push up. Secure more right there at 30 pips, 40 pips. Boom, secured some at 40 pips. I have 10% now running at 40 pips in profit. Stops to break even. Let's see if this can push. There's no top wick here. No top wick here. There's no top wick here. This does have a chance to come down, but let's see if we can push up a bit. Breakthrough here, baby. Let's go. Let's go. 54 pips. Gonna close full right there. No bottom wick on this opening. I don't want this to come down. Create one. 54 pips secured. W. If you're looking at the signals and you see the count off, I just explained it on the previous trade. Whenever we take a pineapple, it counts from the original entry. So we secured 54 pips. It shows 37 because the difference between the pineapple entry and this one was 34 pips. So, which means you divide that in half, right? And it's 17 pips. The average entry was 17 pips better. So 37 plus 17, 54. Okay? Everyone's like, yeah, sure, works, whatever. However you just explained it. Rewind my explanation and pay attention to what I just said, and it'll sink in. Right, I'm not going to explain it again. But all hail King Wicks. Scalpers hate to see me in target. Clap it up, clap it up, clap it up. Ooh, and it's coming back to entry. Look at this perfect exit. Yo, if you're not excited for a win or a loss, then you are not doing social media. I gotta do this, gang. I gotta do this. This makes for good content, and there's fucking people clipping this, and hopefully they get the good parts in. Daniel, definitely get the celebrations in there. That's what people like. They like to see the twerking on top of the computer chair. Can you tell they're excited? They're freaking sitting here waiting to open up Pokemon cards. Gang, don't go away. Don't go away. Big stream tonight. Big stream tonight. We're going to do the Pokemons, the cards. We got so many packs to undo. We got this. We got that. We got this. We got that. We got holy jumping effing Jesus. Look at this. We got this big one. And man, this one. And remember, everything I just showed you, there's doubles of. Yo. If I could freaking juggle, I mean, I can juggle. I'm not gonna juggle this shit. Yep. Keep them all sealed? No, that's bro. I'll go next week. Buy those next week. Keep them all sealed. Look at this. This came back. I think that would have took us out right over there. Yeah, this would have hit BE and then went up again. Wow. Hold on. Let's add that to the record here. Win number 641. It's 54 pips. All right. So a little bit of money never hurt nobody. Damn, we made back everything we just spent on Pokemon cards and more with that trade. Double Yuski. You sound much better. Not like a W, like a walking, rasping W. Oh, more people at the Zoom door. Come on in. Come on in, Zoom gang. If you want to be part of the Zoom gang, get the bundle. Gang, go get the bundle. Go get your access to the private streams, private channels, private chats, private Zooms, private community, private giveaways, the Signal channel. Private streams, Sunday market open. Get the bundle. Get everything. Because you can't get anything separately. You can only get the bundle, and you get access to the Signals community and the Zooms here. Yeah, baby.
Wow, I feel good.
Yes. Please go drop a like and sub to this channel. Please share this stream. We need you guys to share the stream. I cannot grow this community without you guys sharing this stream. Share this channel. Please, I beg you. I'm begging for subs. 1 day away from that payout, Wix. Yo, savage, bro. Bro, be extra freaking selective. I'm gonna be extra selective for you, bro. I know you're taking the trades with me, bro. Oh man, I'm gonna be extra selective for you, so that next one can be a W. Yeah, I'm locked in. Sick. I'm so happy. I'm gonna be more happier when you get that fucking payout, bro. I remember being my first payout. My first payout was with FTMO, like years ago, many years ago, and that one was easy. But my second payout, was like my first payout on futures. I'm sorry, on top one. I was maybe like $180 away, and the next 2 trades, I ended up taking $2,000 losses. I was like, fuck. So it took me an extra 6 days to get the payout. I could have waited and got the payout the following day. If I didn't take those trades, I would have gone, or the day after that, But no, I took the 2 stupid trades and then it spent the next week trying to get back there. And this happened on a Thursday, and by Wednesday we had the payout instead of by Friday. We had it by Wednesday of next week. Yeah. All right, I think it's time. It's time. First is easy. Funny thing is, I've been here before, 1 day away, and blew it. So I'm carrying all my experience from the last time, so I don't make the same mistake again. Nothing can replace that experience. You should be really happy that you went through it before, because you know what needs to be avoided. Seller replay here. 15. Yeah, I didn't see that. All right. All right. You don't expect this to come back. When this candle flipped bullish here, I thought we would just run up. It's all right. 54 pips. Never hurt nobody. 50. Oh, and right back it goes. All right, gang. Pokemon time. Let's freaking do it. Yeah, but I lost $2 grand and I just kind of fought it off. Yo, gang. What do we open first? Guys, do it. I think we're gonna. All right, gang. I want to get into trading, but really unsure how to begin. Any tips? Well, avoid the next 10 minutes of this. No, I'm just kidding. Right now, we're planning for retirement with opening these Pokemon cards. And I don't know how to open them. Should I? Wait, play Pokemon teach me. Should I keep these boxes in fairly decent condition, or should I just fucking... Came to the gym tonight. No Zoom? Awesome. While you're in the gym, we're opening up Pokemon cards. Look the boxes. Wait, can you change cam? What do you mean change cam? I moved the cam so we can all be on. got partners in crime today. Got partners in crime. Show the talent. Stream the gym, Eddie. Show the talent. Boxes? No, we're gonna try to keep the boxes in decent condition. I just don't know the proper way of opening this. Here. All right. So, I think we're gonna see what we can pull here right now. Get a little excitement in here. I mean, like make your cam full screen type. Shh. No, I haven't tried that. I could probably do it, but I have to reset it up, and then plus then you'll see my wrinkles in HD, and I don't want to do that. It's like walking into a bathroom with fluorescent lighting. You ever seen that? It's like your entire life told on your face in 4K in one picture. You seen George Carlin? He's like, yo, every zit, pimple, scratch, scar, wrinkle you've ever had will appear in fluorescent lighting. You'd be walking into the bathroom like, yeah, this is good. This is good. Hold on. We can make it a little more friendly here. Hold on. No, I don't like it. Oh, that's what we're pulling. All right, so we got a puller right here. The what? I can hear you. Destined rivals. Open them up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see. All right, no, we got to rip it up here. I subscribed to you because I found the name funny and became more into the streams once you brought up Pokemon. Gotta catch 'em all. Oh, you very nice. Gym vlog coming soon when Wix and I finally hit the gym one of these days. Bro, come through, gym, bro. Yeah, Eddie's the brosif. Yo, what are we doing? We're pulling cards here? We're pulling cards, so let's see. First card. No, you gotta peek them out. Hold on, let me. Yo, gang, first card right here. Combuskin. What the hell is a combuskin? Combuskin. You ever heard of a combuskin? So this isn't an expensive card, right? That's a nothing. Wait. So what? Yeah, you gotta show them closer. This is a Cynthia's Phoebus, right? Almost like a Cynthia's Handus, but a Phoebus. Cynthia's Phoebus. Let's go. We got a Dottler. Team Rocket's Dottler. I don't know what that does. He looks gold. Yo, this thing needs to focus better. Wow, you suck at fuck. Move, bro. Benny's over here destroying half my setup. All right, come on. What do we got next? Applin. Applin. I don't know what that is. If you guys want any of these cards, reach out to me. If you need a Combuskin or an Applin, I can give you Cynthia's Dottler or Cynthia's Phoebus with a Dottler. Where do they get these names, bro? There's a person that sits there and comes up with the names for these. Marnie's Leopard.
Yo.
What up? Who's there? What up?
Me. What's up?
Me. What's up, me? Team Rocket's Venture Bomb. Is this good? I don't know what a Venture Bomb is. Does this do anything? The trainer. Okay.
If you're not gonna want those Pokemon cards, I'll take them off your hand.
Ogre Pond. I think the most expensive card we have is like a $90 card. This was like a $500 haul, so we're gonna need to, recoup some of these funds. All right, so we haven't gotten anything special yet. What is this? Zero Aurora. This is a good one. No, look at this. Oh, it's a basic. It's a pretty one. It's a nice looking card. I like it. Can I grill one of these Pokemon? Bro, you can grill whatever you want. Rotom. Is this a good one? Anybody know if that's a good one? I don't know. The what? All right, I need to know if anybody knows if one of these are, if any one of these are good. I see. Yeah, I don't need him right now. Cynthia's Roserade. I'm gonna be pulling these out. I'm gonna be pulling these out everywhere. What else do you have? Basics energy. Oh, basic energy. You see, chat? You see, chat? When you show up to another stream, this is what you get. You get that right there. That's what you get. You know, showing up to a Wix 9 stream, you get like basic energy. Other streams. Basic energy. That's terrible. Okay. All right. So that's pack 1. We didn't get we didn't get ish. We didn't get ish. All right. Somebody hold on to these. All right. Next pack, gang. Let's go. Next pack. All right. All right. Looks good there. Am blurry? Nah, I'm just blurry by nature, bro. Like when you see me in the street, I'm blurry. It's just one big blurry day trader walking around. Yeah, you see me across the street, you be thinking your eyes out of focus. Nope, Wix 9 out of focus. I'm always. You're furry in real life? I'm blurry in real life, bro. We should stand next to each other and we'll be like Bigfoot. We're furry and blurry. Together, we are Bigfoot. Yeah. Like you try to take a picture of me, I'm blurry in the picture. You see me in the street, you be got blurry. Look. Space Cadet's best friend. Best friend, the Shark Cadet. Shark Cadet is. Okay. I have Benny, the Yamper. That's nice. Learn the basics. Candles, closures, time frame. Stick to this stream. I promise it's worth it. Yeah, keep showing up to this stream, and you will. I promise you, you will be eons ahead of people, of your peers, especially if you're younger. You gotta really prioritize this and show up here for a few years at least, but to understand what we're doing and really get in the flow of things and, you know, be in tune with what we're doing, probably 2 to 3 months on average. And then it's like you get the lingo, you start becoming part of the community, you start becoming more active, you start realizing what works, what doesn't, you get more confidence, you learn some lessons that, you know, that we all learn, but that require your own personal experience, right? And that knowledge, you know, that's guided by experience is eventually gonna bring you up along to our level, right? When you join a group of people that are a bit higher than you, it shortens your learning curve and gets you through your path faster. It's like having the address and the navi, not just the address, right? It's like having the address and the navigation available to you for you to get there instead of just the address and then a bunch of detours. So just stick around here. All right, we got another one. We got a snub bull. Snub bull. Snub bull. Yep, sounds like my neighbor. Oh, a Murkrow. Who wants to get Murkrowed? Yo, wait, can we get a good Pokemon card? What the hell? Meloetta. You don't seem too mellow. Soothing Malady. Magical Shot. Sacred Charm. Look, we got a Sacred Charm. That's going to go right next to the basic energy. The Pokemon tool. Or Darmanitan. Darmanitan. Darmanitan and the 3 Poketeers. This guy, he's funny looking. Benny's like, "Brr." Carvana. Yo. I don't know if you guys been to Carvana. Their cars suck, but the Pokemon Carvana is really good. Oh, wait. Hold on. Give me a second, chat. Hold on a second, chat. Mrs. Wicks is calling. Hold on. All right, sorry, gang. That was oh, we got a battle cage in here. Battle cage. There it is. I don't know if any of these are worth anything, gang. You gotta let me know. Market makers hunted your Pokemon? Yeah, tell me about it. I'm not getting any special ones here yet. Yeah, that was Mrs. Wicks calling. Seeing what we're doing. I'm like, we're having a family stream. She's like, oh shit, I gotta tune in. Look, Flygon. Is this a good one?
Just take pictures of them and send them out to ChatGPT, and it will tell you exactly.
You sure? Stage 2, Flygon. Yeah, I'm gonna take pictures of all of them, but I don't know if ChatGPT is gonna work because I just took pictures of the packs, and it was like, you're gonna pull this one and that one and the chance, and then I'm looking, it's like, it's giving me the pulls from wrong packs. I don't know. Let's start trading Pokemon cards. Well, we already took 54 pips here, bro.
Do you know what else they
I'm
do
done.
with those cards? They depends how they grade them. They grade them on the scale, and then they see how much it's worth.
Basic energy again. We got 2 basic energies. Look, what do other streams have? When people go to other streams, what do they get? You get basic energy. That's right. So we're gonna every time I see somebody from another stream, bro, you're gonna get a card. You're gonna get a yellow, and 2 yellows will get you a gray. Maybe a red. All right, so we got another pack coming. I don't know what pack we're opening. Gang, which pack? Purple or green? Yeah, you're gonna get a red card. Yeah. Yeah. What are we opening up next? Green? All right, he said green. Let's do green. Which one's green? Let's do it. All right. This pack's going to have a $50 card in it. Let's fucking do it. So these have the best odds, by the way. These packs have the best odds. So check them. The ones we're going to open up right now, these have the best. Uh-oh. What is this? Coin?
It's just the art.
The art, Sylveon. All right. Oh, there's 2 packs in here. Wow, this is a 2-pack. Yo, check Discord messages. Sent me a link for the Pokemon cards. Wait. Where? You sent me a link. Did you tag me? Zoom. Okay, Zoom. My bad. Wait, hold on. I don't know what you're gonna show me here. Hold on. I don't want this. I don't want to open up a link and all of a sudden somebody's ass. Oh, Pokemon card finder. Okay. We've had that happen. Yo, featured top finds. Are these real values or these are just cards that are for sale? Right, or those are real values that I could legit get for those cards. Real value. Okay, so we got the next pack here for these. For these. We have a headbutt. Oh, it's not a headbutt. It's our Larvitar, and he has an attack called the head. Larvit. Yo, don't be a Larvitar, for real. What is this one? Houndour. Playful Kick. Guys and pips, let's go and catch them real things. Yeah, the real Pokemon. Wait, more people in the Zoom? Sorry, gang. If you're looking for a trade right now, we already had one. And it's not that we already have. We might have more, but we need to get up to resistance levels here. We're kind of printing sideways here right now. Look at that. Look at this. Choppy, choppy, choppy. What's your favorite Pokemon? I can't tell you right now. My kids are here. I had to do a double take for a second. Look, it's a Dusclops. It's a Dusclops. Traditional Big 5 safari for the family with us. I'm looking forward to serving the family. A traditional Big 5 safari for the family. Where are you from, bro? Please, DM me a link. DM me a link. Tell me who you are on YouTube. So, hell yeah, I'm down. Down. Go. What do we have here? Regigigas. Regigigas. I think this Pokemon stutters. Right? This Pokemon definitely stutters. Stuttering. Base attack. Oh, it's a jewel breaker. Ooh. The family jewel breaker. Your kids know Pokemon? What's their favorite Pokemons? What's your favorite? A what? Leafeon. It's her favorite. Her favorite Pokemon is Leafeon. Leafeon. That's pretty cool. Right? My favorite is yours is Relaxo. Yours is Charizard. What is that? Cypher Maniac's code breaking. That's a supporter. That's a trainer. Blue eyes. What? Infernape. Infernape. Goldeon. We have a Goldeon somewhere in here. Jolteon. I don't know. Look, we have a Screamtail. Another Houndour. Now we got two of these. Two Houndours. Were they in the same pack? But it's probably your golden Pikachu is probably already all messed up. Wick's favorite is Weedle. How did you know? There's a Weedle. Pinsir. We got a Pinsir. We have next. Is she a Pokemon? Oh, Rayford. Rayford's not. And another basic energy. You guys are just full of freaking basic energy today. Look at this. How many basic energies can we get? You know what I think we should do? These go in a stack right here. We're gonna put them back in that box. Oh, I got one of these, gang. Are these? Ooh, this one is real. You messed this one up. One's not gonna do that. Good luck. We got one of these. Is this a good card? Does anybody know if this is a good card? It's a Pikachu. W Pikachu. Golden. It's a golden Pikachu. I don't know what this is worth. It could have been worth a lot of money before, but my kids bent the bottom of it, so it's probably not worth much. No, it used to be a perfect card, and then I told you don't play with it, and you started tossing it around. and playing with it on every toy, and then you ruined it, so now it's not worth it. So maybe don't play with cards in the future. LOL 10K? Yeah, alright. If it was real gold, maybe. If the Pokemon this card is attached to is damaged by an attack from your opponent, it takes 60% less damage after applying weakness and resistance. And discard this card. I'm not getting discard. I'm discarding nothing. What do we have? A Noibat. Wabat. Cameron. Focus better. Focus, Cam. Fan Rodham. Can we get one good pull here? Black Belts training. Oh, he looks like Ryu from Street Fighter. Oof. Lures guidance. Another Rigigigus. Yeah, we cannot buy one of those SIRs, can we? Carmine. Hippopotamus. I like this guy. He's a hippopotamus. Hippo, pot, and US. How did you know it would go long there? It's not that I knew that it would go long there. It's that based on all the data collected over the years, I knew the probability of us going up from where we were before we, or if, you know, before we head down or have any kind of bearish move was much higher. We were a good 80 to 90% ahead, right? It was just like a 90, 10, 80, that we would come up from that area. We need to tap the higher time frame resistance. We've established support. We had, and as we were coming up here, right? We opened up, we had this top wick, we opened up with a bottom wick, and it came down to support areas. So I just, probability dictated that that candle needed a top wick. What is this one? We have a Pheasantipity, and we have a basic energy. All right, forget these cards. Let's go. We have so many packs left. These are garbage, right? Trash. These are trash. These are trash, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many packs do we open? 6, right? 6 packs. Give me a pack, please. Give me a pack from over there. So we can throw these in the garbage. Hobbits. Garbage. Oh. Whoa. Who's just joking? Strongest Pokemon? No clue. BPR now. Be careful. Target Baggio. Hey, get out, Benny. What are you doing? Why are you pushing everybody? So he's so pushy. Always so pushy. Which one? Oh, we're gonna open this one, yeah, right now. Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think we might be opening more cards tomorrow as well. Gang, but wait, hold on. We had the hourly closure. Let's get back to trading here for a second. So the hourly just closed. It's get rid of this. Could have had a sell here. Why did nobody say anything? Wait 1 sec. Benny's behind me. Mind you, let him show us the cards. What? Yeah, we already took a trade, but this was a decent sell-off this level right now. Sorry, I wasn't paying attention. But it's all right. It's all right. We already got a W. So maybe we get a little fake out. Maybe we come down here. Maybe we get to retest the highs. We'll see. I still think these higher time frame levels need to be tapped up here at around 48.60. I think 48.60 is the grand minimum where we need to pull back to. If we come down before then, hey, we come down before. There's no reason for us to drive down because we had not tapped that higher time frame level. So as we start coming down here, as you see this drive pull down here, I'd be very skeptical until we are actually closed below 48.36. Till then, you're just chopping it around here. Now let's get to the next. No. Let's get this new pack in here, and then we'll open one more tin can. Zoom. I got you. More Zoom doors, people. So, ooh, market moving. It's gonna move down now. Pump. Give me a pump. Boom. Give to me pump down now. Let's see. Maybe we'll get some closures, belosures, and then we'll look to have some risk exposure. I'm in cells waiting for this 1 hourly candle to get filled. Good job. Good fucking job, man. Yep. You're looking to tap. There's 48.28. Yep. Where did you get in? Where I was looking for it, or when I was looking for it, or before I even saw it? Oh, here. Hold on. We're opening up the next pack here. Do it on there. You can see. You gotta pick it up higher. There you go. Take out those packs. Sitting down? No. Get off my charger. Time to get off my charger. Got in at 48.51. Oh, bro. Fucking perfect. Fucking perfect. Great job. Man, I'm so fucking proud of it. What do we have? First pull of this big new deck. What do we have? Oh, a Pikachu. Huh? Oh, it came with a Pikachu. They all come with a Pikachu. Pikachu! Alright. Pika. You guys. Yeah, when I went to, there's a dude that looks like Pikachu at my synagogue. Swear he's got the little, I call him Pikachu. Pikachu. Gligar. Might be closing soon, about to tap the body. Yeah. Gligar. Sounds like an ex-girlfriend. Zigzagoon. Yo, if we don't pull a nice card out, we have a few nice cards. Sure. And Miss Drevis. All right, what do we have here? What else? What is that? A Toxel? All right, there we go. Look at this bounce off this support area. You know what that means, gang? Back up we go. What is that? We got a Toxel and a Wigglytuff. Yo, Wigglytuff is a dope Pokemon. I like Wigglytuff. A Wandrous patch? An eye patch? It looks like an eye patch. It goes on your eye. BE hit? Damn. How much did you see? Oh, you saw like a good 100 pips. That one looks like Wix. Bronzong. We got a Bronzong. Post partials at 100. Perfect. should have closed full at 100. Hello, Terpy. I was asking about you earlier. Let's see. Come on. Which one? Huh? Who? Dizzying Valley. What else do we have? Pokémon. And oh, the basic energy red card. Yeah, you get 2 basic energy yellows. You're getting 1 basic energy red right here. You guys are done for now. Kirby got his PC. Enter in Hollywood. True. True. Back. Yeah, rip that one. You got to do it on stream. I don't know why you're opening it over there. You got to show them how you're ripping it up. No, they don't see that. Pull the cards. All right, there we go. There's the. You can take that off screen. The community will think you're lying. Yo, we got a Jigglypuff. Gang. That's got to be one of my favorite. Jigglypuff. What is that? Darumaka. We got a Darumaka! Sounds like a curse in Pokemon. Uh-oh, wait, Jay, at the door. Come on in. Come on in, gangster. We got a Lotad. There's almost like a high tad, but a low tad. You found what? We have a Bolton. Nice little Bolton. We got Grimsley's Move. Whatever that means. Which one? Al Creamy. Who wants to Al Creamy? Who's that? Oh, and we have Haunter. Which one? Oxel shiny? Not shiny. Like a dupe? Duplicate? Hey, gang, by the way, don't be this. Don't be this guy. You don't want to be this guy. Shiny Ambipom. Ambipom. We got another basic energy. All right, I think every pack comes with some basic energy, right? All right, which one is that? That's a nice pack. Oh, hold on, the Spit Song. What was that? We have Abra. Now all we need is a Kadabra. We have Abra, but no Kadabra. We got a switch.
So next time when you get the packs,
Yeah.
weigh them.
Weigh 'em?
Weigh them.
Why?
Weigh them, because the heavier they are, the better cards are in there.
Damn, so I'm gonna need to get one of those drug scales, huh?
Yeah. That's what the guys do. Yeah. So the heavier they are, the better the cards are.
That's
So
great.
that's, people don't know that, but yeah, that's one of those.
I
the-
just
the tricks they-
I just go to the church down the block and ask them for their scales.
yeah, you could do that.
Yeah, I mean, because it's a trap house, honestly.
Rap City.
Yeah, the church down the block for me is a trap house. I told
What
you
kind of a
guys-
church is that?
You saw my reel? I was like, I've been going there for 10 years. Never knew this shit was a church.
Is it the one that they scream over there? They stand and scream?
No, they don't stand and scream. They just, like, you got to know that it's a trap house.
Oh, okay.
Execute. Execute. Got execute and cute and exec all in the same. Oh, beware. Oh, beware. I'm maybe more consistent towards my trading. Maybe yes. What are you saying? Wait, Turpy coming back with the streams? Oh, you had some big losses. Well, you gotta come back. You gotta come back. I've had some big losses. I've had really big losses live on stream in front of thousands of people. Yeah, it's bro. It's really not about what loss you take. Like people understand. Like if anyone expects anything else, you just don't understand trading. And if you're talking like that, like you got it. You know, don't be one of those people that don't understand trading. That's just, it's gotta happen. It's gotta. You're much better. You're a much better trader after those losses than you were before. I would look at it this way. You might be less with a smaller balance. Just like when you're in drawdown in a trade, it does not mean you're behind probability wise. The same thing here. Just because you have a smaller balance than you did before that trade, that doesn't mean you're not a better trader than you were before the trade. I believe after that trade or those trades, you are a better trader. So why get better and quit? You know what I mean? So yeah, it's not about big losses. It's just about grinding and fighting your way back. It could be disappointing, it could be discouraging, but yeah, man, bro, we're all here, and you stick around, and over time you just find your groove. You know, how Turpy got his groove back. That's gonna be a real future. We got a fighting gong. We have a jinx. I don't know if the jinkers work anything. It says she's psychotic. No, it says she's psychic. All right, we have a ninjask. What is that? Hariyama. It's a shiny. It's a shiny Hariyama. And we got another basic energy. Whoop-de-doop-de. Whoop-de-doop-de. All right, I think, gang. It goes in the trash right there. We have so many packs left to open. I think this is going to be the last pack we open tonight, and we'll open some more packs tomorrow. We'll do it live on stream. Maybe we'll open up the stream early tomorrow. You caught 2.4 thousand pips this morning. Oh. Retire. Honest. Retire, bro. I'm just kidding. You have any recommendations for funded accounts? Yes. Go to Top 1 Futures. Use code WIX. You get 50% off. And number one, I love their new challenge accounts. Usually I hate challenge accounts. Why take a challenge? Just go to the instant funded. They have the best prices and the best rules when it comes to instant fundeds. Right? So before I got onto this live account from them, I got 5 payouts on this account, and all came from 150K instant funded. They have great rules, but right now the new challenge accounts, once you're done with the challenge and you're funded, it's everyday payouts, and it's end of day drawdown. It's not a trailing drawdown, just the end of day drawdown, and you can take daily payouts. Dan? If I have 3 instant sim fundeds, can 2 of them copy my first account? It's the same for elite daily accounts. Yeah, as long as they're the same type of accounts. Absolutely. So yeah, make sure you use code WIX. All right, gang, we're opening up one more pack. Last pack here. The big one, we'll do it tomorrow on stream. You're gonna host the stream with me again tomorrow. Maybe you'll take the mic tomorrow, and you can. Right? The mic's right here, actually. You can just speak. All right. What do we have? What do we have? What do we have? We just have art. Okay. How artsy. Stop messing with Benny. He's messing with you? Oh, you want to be here? Get away. So weird looking. He's trying to push her. No, don't let him go in front. Goes behind. Get your ass out of my wires, bro. I read you can only make so much as an average. I'm not even sure what that means. What's the difference in rules unfunded, like daily drawdown or daily profit? I'm look them up. It's fairly simple and it's self-explanatory. I mean, a lot of people, if you have specific question, like not just what's the difference between all the rules, but like a specific question to a rule, ask. I'm sure people in the chat know what works, what doesn't. No reply to you. For now, I gotta open these. Anything good? No? All right, let's run through these. We have a Krogung. Right? I don't know what that is. Dang, tell me if you like any of these. We have, what do we open? Leave them alone. Just don't pay attention to. Which one is that? That's a Delhi bird. The Delhi bird. Probably hangs out at the bodega with Abu and Patel. Welcome to the grocery store, Delhi bird. Spoink. Don't get spoinked. Got a crazy attack, a triple spin. An electrike. Oh, careful, don't bend it, don't bend it. Yeah, we have boss's orders right here. That's Wix right there. Frostmouth. We have a Frostmouth. Can you please repeat the prop account? So you go to top 1 futures and you take either the instant sim funded, which is this, you skip the challenge. Look, it's a duck. You skip the challenge, go straight to instant funded, and whatever profits you make, you can withdraw that, but you have to make there's a 20% consistency rule, and there's right, you have to make 6%. But there's also the new, but those are instant fundeds, right? I love those. That's the account I took. That's the account I bought. That's the one I got paid out on 5 times. The in an instant funded, right? Or it was like straight to sim funded. But the new accounts are challenge accounts, but they got great rules. No consistency rule, and it's everyday payouts once you're funded, right? And end of day drawdown. That was the other one. They have end of day drawdown. It's not a trailing drawdown for a trade, right? It's just end of day drawdown that works. Just took an L. Damn, taking a step back now. It's wild to see the homies I used to play video games with 24/7 5 years ago still playing games while I'm here trading real money. Yeah. Yeah, we'll look it up again. Looked it up yesterday. The 20% consistency rule. Can you explain that? I didn't fully get it. Your best day. So let's say you have to make 6%, right? Your best day cannot be more than 20% of your total profits. So let's just do the numbers, right? On a 100K account, for example, you have to make 6%. That's 6,000. If that's 6,000, your best day cannot be more than 20% of that 6,000, which is what, I think roughly like 1,300, right? Or 1,400, something like that. So yeah, 1,400. So your best day cannot be more than 1,400. If it is, your minimum amount of trading days will go up, because you're gonna have to trade for more days in order to have that, that consistency score go down. Because you're gonna need a bigger balance to make sure that best day. It's a stupid rule, fine, but it's a rule that's maybe it's a stupid rule for trading, but don't forget, this is a different animal. Prop firms, funded accounts, it's a different animal. It's a different game at the casino than live trading, than your own account. That's just a different game. It's apples and oranges. It has nothing to do with each other. It's like it's playing poker, right? It's like playing Texas Hold'em, and then it's like playing the Texas Hold'em on a machine, like with the slot machine. It's just a different game. It's a slot machine with the Texas Hold'em title. It's a different game. It's like blackjack and poker, like just completely different game, different animal, different rules, different approach, different mindset. It has its own nuances. So if you understand the fact that it's just a different type of game and that this game involves rules, and if you think you can take advantage of your type of trading can stay within the rules, right? It's not like, oh, they make it hard for me. Duh, they're trying to make money. They're a business. Your job is to beat the other players, right? Or to just get better, right? Not even beat the other players. You don't care about the other players. Your job is to beat the market, really. The market is your enemy, not them and not the other players and their rules, right? You got to beat their rules. Hold on a second. Wait, we have a Carbink. We have a Nidoran. He needs to ran. We have a Carbink. I once had a Carbink. Cost me a whole bunch of money to have a Carbink. It's a good rule to have to know how to trade. But think about it. If you apply these rules and bring them into your live trading, you should be a monster. We have a Squawit, which is like a squirret, but it's a Squawit. He talked with a lisp, you know what I'm saying? Squawit. And changed my trajectory. It would literally wipe 3/4 of my losses for the past 3 years. When we used to play the game with are on our creators. I'm guessing you play the same game. I'm so scared. Never. This payout could be so massive. What? I don't want to look behind me. I'm set. I need her to sit up. All right. Cool. Cool. It's easier for me instead of turning around. OG Ike, what's up? What's up? What's up? What do we have here now? What is that? Energy recycler. All right, that's cool. Been flipping a very small account. Been seeing consistent results. I'm thinking of going prop firm. It's fine. There's a lot of potential for money to be made in the prop firm space, and I've made a ton on props, and I made a ton on the live. I've made way more on the live. It's much more pleasant trading the live. Nobody could tell me anything, but man, it's been a lot of fun taking a lot of payouts and guiding a whole shit ton of people through the payouts and through paying their mortgages and through buying new cars and through getting new watches. All of the messages I get that we've helped people do that, man, it's been just incredible, an incredible road. So, and like I said, look, we're moving back up. I really believe we have not tapped the higher time frame levels. Remember I said levels up here at 4860, 4866. So I truly believe we're going to head up there. That's why we kind of found a support here. We called this too. We said we're going to look to establish a support as you see this heavy move down in order to move up and test these higher time frame levels. We already caught our 54 pips. I'm down to take more trades, but they have to set up, and we're coming up to 9:30, and I got to dip here in about 10-15 minutes. But I do want to see. I want to be one of those people. Yeah, you want to be one of those people? Show up here. Show up every day. Maybe join the private community. Get the bundle. Join the private community. Get access to the private channels, private chats, private Zooms, private streams, private giveaways, the Signal channel, the weekly market open every Sunday, the private stream. Get access to all of that. And the thing is, you could either get the bundle or get nothing, because, you know, that's the only thing you can get. You either get everything or get nothing, or just the free stuff, free Discord, which is dope. Wait. Which is dope because this community, right, even the free part of it is really supportive, really helpful. But man, the paid part, not about just the paid part. It's just the reason there's a bundle and the paid part, and it's not just for me to make money, for you guys to make money off of it, but it's just more intimate, and that intimate community is just very, very, very supportive of each other and keeps each other accountable. And there's just nonstop conversations throughout the day about who's doing what, how, why, and it's just very valuable. Doing live pack openings with the kiddos. Fire. Y'all pull anything cool? So right now, the last two cards we just pulled, I don't know what they are. Okay, we have the trainer right here, which I don't know. And then we just pulled Team Rocket's Persian. So I don't know, that's got to be worth something right there. A really good card. Can somebody tell me if anybody knows what this card's worth? I don't know. This looks like a good card. Team Rockets Persian. What do we have here? Oh, we have another Rotom. That's from the other packs? Or you just opened that? Traders Connect for top 1 futures? I'm not sure. I was destitute, and Wix signals made me rich beyond conception. Trust me, bro. Get the bundle. Get the bundle. Yeah, go join the private community, join the signals community. Look at that closure on a 15. That's a 30 closure with a top wick, though. I truly believe we got to make our way up here. So I'm not looking for any sells here just yet for this. Come down, give a bottom wick. I'd rather us come up here for some pancakes up here. And if that's a possibility, if we get up there, we might have pancakes here. V3 of the pancake, right? PV3. And we'll keep stops above there. I just don't know if this is going to happen while I'm on stream now. I got to dip in 10 to 15 minutes, and the 4-hour closure is coming up here, which means if this is the 4-hour closure, we want either a top wick opening on the next 4-hour to these areas, right? To these wicks right here, or we want an opening with a bottom wick all the way down to these supports, at which point you can look for 48.17, 48.15 entries for a pancake. Come up. You pineappled out of cells? Okay, interesting. Okay. You entered into cells, pineappled out of them. Gold moved different past few weeks. Gold just changing market cycles, and all you got to do is adjust. Put these in there too. Yeah, put these in there. No, put these in there on top. Backwards, put the good ones in so they don't bend, because you don't want to keep them out. Put them in. Put them in there so they don't bend, because then this on top. Very simple. Here. Me too. This way. So they don't bend. Put the coins, the tokens on top. Sure. You want to. You don't want to do it tomorrow? You don't want to pull them on stream tomorrow? Huh? What, you like NQ buys? I have not looked at NQ. Where are you going? Where are you going? Yeah, toss the garbage. Don't throw the box out. I was looking at NQ buys. They look good. So let's look. You have a closure with no top wick here at resistance. All right, so this is what NQ looked like for us. All right, remember we said we need a closure above 24,641. And look, it closed no top wick. Right at it. Yeah, no, I'm not looking. I have a level here at 24,641. Right. This is before you even. We drew this level up in the beginning of the stream here today, which was around here, right? When we were right here, we drew up this level. We never got there until now. Okay. What else did we pull here? Oh, there's a whole bunch of cards here. Huh? For the game? All right, hold on. For you? Do you play? Okay. So what packs do we have? Hold on, let me see this. So this pack has about 8 packs in it. And yeah, there's about 8. More? Could be more. Hold on, let's see. One double post. It has 10. So this has 10 packs in it. And then I got 2 of these because that was the limit at the store. You couldn't get more when you're raiding the store like that, when you're scalping the target. Right? We're scalping gold here on the charts and scalping target in real life. So couldn't get more than 2 of these. They got 10 packs each, so we got 2 of these. Probably open that tomorrow. What else do we have? another big 2 more of those. We got 2 more of these. Just the biggest, the best odds of getting good cards are in these. And we have the 2 first packs that we opened, the small ones, and then we also have another one of those big yellow ones. Wow, we have 1, 24, 5, 6, 7. There's over 30 packs still remaining to be opened. Over 30 packs. I think we'll be opening up the rest of this week. Well, maybe we'll do like 10 or I don't know how many packs we did today. Maybe not even 10. Maybe around 10. We did around 10 today. I have over 30 more packs open. Yeah, it was a big haul. We were able to scalp the crap out of Target. All right, so what do we just say? Look at that top wick, flip bearish, and then re-break the high. Why? We need to get to look top wick here, flip bearish, rebroke the high. But because we need to get to the higher time frame resistances. The market does not want to play games here. The 15 might want to play games. The market doesn't. Yeah. Yep. You Pokemon addict. No, this is all for my kids. They're building me a retirement plan. What? Yeah, show them the packs that we're gonna open tomorrow. Absolutely. Bring them in here. Come on, gang. So I was looking for sell positions here off the 15. My issue $82 pip stop. My issue is this isn't the level anywhere else. So I'm just going to be honest here. I don't want to do that here right now because for one reason, it could reject here. You see how this is a 15 level right here? And right here, it overlaps with this 15. We're going to find out right now if it's going to react or it's going to push through. Because we're right at it. The issue is, look, there is no other level here. Oh, there we go. It's reacting. 13 pips. There's no other level here. You're in the middle of a 30 wick. You're in the middle of a 1 hour candle. Right? And there's no 4 hour level in sight there. It's up there. Just a 4 hour wick. So yeah, maybe you can wick off a wick, but it's tough for me to say, all right, we're gonna go based on this because it's a level on the 15. Remember what we need: multiple time frames, multiple instances in the market. And yeah, it can have any kind of reaction there at once. And if there's a reaction there, then maybe it creates those multiple instances. Right now, these multiple instances are for buys, but multiple time frames is not valid here. See, multiple times not valid. You're not seeing an immediate link shot down. Maybe you will. Maybe you'll see enough, but I don't want to be in on that because I don't believe that it's valid based on our knowledge on RTA. That's a valid level for a pancake. All right, what do we have for tomorrow? Let's bring these in. All right, show them. What is that? What kind of pack is that? Tell them. They can't hear you like that. We have Destined Rivals. Speak louder, man. And Phantasmal Flames. You say that so much better than me. I'm like, Phantasmal Flames. Like, Phantasmal Flames. God. What have they won? 2 packs. I'm glad you asked, Bob. Okay, so by the way, gang, you can't have these unless you're over 6 years old, so I'm not giving these out to you. Some of you guys act 4. Oof, pushing up. What else we have? We have a what? A a Glaceon pin.
Tin.
Tin. Glaceon tin. And another tin. We opened this one earlier today, a similar one to this one. So we have these, a whole bunch of these. Yeah, we've had this one earlier. And then we got this pack still left for tomorrow. Besides all of these packs. Oh, got this left. This has a whole bunch of packs in it. I think 5 or 6. And 4. And then we got 2 more of these big ones with 10 packs each. Yeah, this is all. We're gonna be opening all of. And give me the other one. These. Yeah, we're gonna be opening them up the rest of the week. Okay, there it goes. The higher. I said okay, there it goes, and my okay Google turned on. Anyway, oh, by the way, chat, if you're enjoying the breakdown, if you're enjoying the family stream, if you're enjoying the pulling of these Pokemon cards, opening up the packs, or if you just enjoy showing the vibe here and showing up here and getting the lessons out of here, please drop a like, sub to the channel. Hey Siri, sub me to Wix9's YouTube. All right, see, I just did it for you. I just did it for you. Hey Siri, make sure you sub me to Wix9's YouTube. Hey Google, make sure you sub me to Wix9's YouTube. How many of your phones just listened to me? Alexa, make sure you sign me to... Alexa, make sure you sub me to Wix9's YouTube. Hey, I just did it for you. You don't even have to do much. All right? Yeah, gang, I gotta call it a stream here. Please drop a like and sub to the channel. Please share the stream. I cannot grow this community without you guys sharing the stream and dropping the likes. And when you do that, we beat the YouTube algo and we get more viewers. There becomes a bigger army. More of us show up here and, you know, really learn. Let's build a toxic-free community, right? Let's build a community of like-minded people, like-minded traders. More of us, more ideas, more knowledge, more value. Absolutely. So if you want to be part of the private gang, go, you know, get the bundle, join the Signals community, become part of the private chats, and become a member of the private gang. But if you don't want to do that, just keep showing. If you just want to learn without spending money, the streams is all you need. Keep showing up, keep dropping likes, keep subbing to the channel, keep supporting. I need your help to grow this community, and I'm gonna do my part. I'm gonna keep showing up and keep giving out these Wix9 stimmies. Just like today, you got a 54 pip stimulus check or a 54 point stimulus check heading your way. Courtesy of Wix9, right? If you want to go get your funded accounts, make sure you have them available and ready by tomorrow's New York session. At which point, I just couldn't do it in New York today. I had no voice. I lost my voice. Go watch the FOMC stream earlier at 2 p.m. You see how raspy I was. Even beginning of this stream, I was raspy. But yeah, go use code Wix to go get your top 1 futures accounts. Make sure you show up with those accounts intact. With those accounts intact tomorrow for our trading session, right? So you can start making money immediately. You don't have to sit there and freaking watch everyone trade. Make sure your accounts are ready to go by the morning. Go join our Discord as well. It's a free Discord. There's like 1,700 members in there. How many members in there? Around 1,600, 1,669. Yeah, go join the Discord. JMK Motors, I think Jordan is gonna run a stream in there. Are you planning on running a little Discord trading session? Yeah, go join our Discord. Jordan's gonna run. Jordan right here. Kelly, he's gonna run a Discord stream in our Discord, a trading stream in there. So once I close this out, go hit up our Discord. It's only the first 50 people that can stay in there, or that can get in there. 50 or 100, I don't remember. So go get into the Discord voice channel, and I'm sure they're gonna run the stream in there. Maybe I'll pop in there in about an hour or two, depending on when I'm home, because I kind of gotta run. Yeah, I think that's it. But keep showing up here. Look, you really don't need much more, but you need consistency from yourself, and you need accountability from yourself. And this is, if it's difficult for you to get accountability from yourself, you must be new to this. And if you're new to this, you want to be part of a community that's going to keep you accountable. You want to have people that have done this before, that have the experience, that have the knowledge, that can guide you, that can give you advice. You know, you want to have mentors in your life, but you want to have all those, you want to have consistency in all those things. Because one night, one day, you know, every other evening, or you know, once a week, that doesn't help you, that doesn't help me, that doesn't help any of us. Show up, be consistent, prioritize this, and you will see results. And eventually, right, you will see success. You don't have to be perfect here, but you gotta be persistent. My intro tells you that, and I'm gonna repeat it here on stream. You know, that's what's gonna win the day for you. All right, gang, I gotta run. We're gonna pull more Pokemon packs. Say goodbye to the fam. Later, fam. Hi, YouTube. Anyway, yeah, I might pop in the Discord stream in about an hour or two when I get back home. Congrats to everybody that took the dubs with us today. Nice 54 pip W. Hey, oh, before you dip, please, I need your help. Before you dip. 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 Before you dip, I wanna get some W's. Maybe film something. Let's film a reel. Can we do that? You guys be all right with that? Need your help. Hey, when did we take that trade? All right. When did we take that trade? Oh, I see it. I see it. I see it. All right. Gang, can you do me a favor and just spam the shit out of the W button? Please. I need your favor here. Spam them W's. Let's go. All right, all right, all right. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, do it again. Keep going, keep going. Keep spamming the W's. Keep spamming the W's. Come on, gang. Let's get the W's in. Not just the mods. Let's go. Anybody else? Anyone else? The mods took over the game with that one. All right, I appreciate it. I think we got it. We got it. We got it, gang. We got it, gang. I can't wait choose. I can't wait choose. All right, gang. I gotta run. I'm beyond late. Look, I'll see you tomorrow morning for our New York session live stream. Oh, that's why I had the top chat instead of live chat. Who are the top fans for today? Gang, I needed to do 2 giveaways. We're gonna do them tomorrow. We have options, Reggie and Zero Rush, top 3 fans here today. We will do a giveaway. We will do a couple of giveaways tomorrow. I'm running late. I completely forgot about the giveaways with the opening of the cards, but we will run that tomorrow. Mods, thank you for helping me run the stream. Zoom gang, I'll see you guys on stream tomorrow, and some of you guys I'll probably see in the Discord later on. I'll hop in there. Signal channel, look out possible positions after the 4-hour closure. Chat, love and wisdom to you all. See you guys on stream tomorrow. Thank you for joining me tonight. Congrats to everybody that got the W with us, the 54 pips. Congrats to everybody that learned a little something tonight, got some value out of the stream today. And congrats to all the people that just found us, the new people. Please drop a like and sub to the channel on your way out. Share the stream. Help us grow this community. And as for me, chat, you already know the deal. My time here is up. And just like that, another Asian session is in the books. Thank you, gang. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Go get your Pokemon cards. Hasta la pasta. Go get your Top 1 Futures accounts. Use code WIX and join the Signals community. Join the private community. Get the bundle. Later.
Break out the red panties. We're rich, baby.